Today I'm gonna be unboxing this is the Lars Red shift knob. I ordered it along with the display case, and I'm hoping to open it up and find out if it's I should have covered that with tape. Signed. 25 of them were signed by Lars. 75 were unsigned. Maybe I should zoom out a little. Okay, that's better. And there's only 100 of these. This is a 100 limited item. Here's the shift knob. Let's put it on the side for now. This is the display case. And I got some download card. Whoa! I got 3. And then a sticker. And a catalog. And here's how much it was. $100 and $5 for the display case. Cool. So let's open the display case. And I guess I wasn't lucky enough to get 2 knobs. Got the blue light, the black light. Here's the display case. I'm gonna zoom in this time. And here's the Lars Red. And let's hope that it's signed up. I haven't looked at the bottom yet. Let's make her a surprise. And it's not signed, just like the others that I've got. Man, I never get lucky with the signed ones. Oh well. Here's a closer look. Got the knob. It's really freaking red. The camera is not. Maybe it's like, I think the white balance is kind of bluish. I'll try to change that if I can. Yeah, that's more like it. And that's it. Let me bring the other one. So that's it for now. This is Invisible Kid. Thank you for watching.